So you two have known each other how long?
5 years old, we went to Mother's Morning Out at Covenant Presbyterian Church.
You go that far back.
Yeah.
Did you know it was going to be a hit? Because you optioned the rights, or you wanted the rights before she was finished with the book.
Well, she told me what she was writing, but wouldn't tell me much more.
And when you read it?
I was completely... You think you know somebody, a dear friend, and then they show you a side of themselves like that. It's really... It's unsettling in a great way. Like, I did not really know this person. I couldn't believe her talent.
You couldn't believe I was kind of funny.
I knew you were funny.
Are you as blown away as Catherine is by what has happened with this little book?
Yeah. We thought we were going to make an independent film together and that hopefully someone would see. This all predated her having it published, so it's kind of crazy. And she and I were driving between Jackson and Atlanta. You were doing some of your first book signings, and I had started writing the screenplay, and she got the phone call from her publisher that the book was debuting in the top 25, and we just kind of all looked at each other and went, oh my gosh.
Isn't that neat that we were together for that, though?
Yeah.
A tornado had just crossed the road. It was kind of like there was something cosmic in the air, and we had to pull over in this gas station, and my publisher called and said, you made the list, and I was with Tate, of all people. And I remember we had to get get a beer or something.
No, we pulled over to a truck stop and got wine coolers and celebrated with wine coolers.
Wine coolers. I haven't heard that in a long time.
But that was the first.
Yeah, but we got to make in both of our eyes.